Hey creators! Remaker AI is here to transform your photos and videos with jaw-dropping AI tools, all at an affordable price. Ready to level up your content game? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into Remaker AI's magic. Remaker AI is a game changer for pros and casual creators alike, offering face swaps, AI portraits, and more to craft stunning visuals. With a free trial and budget-friendly plans, it's built for everyone. Want to see how it works? Keep watching. Remaker AI is packed with killer tools. Face Swap lets you swap faces in single or multiple images and videos with ease. AI portraits turn your uploads into stylized, natural-looking masterpieces. Video Background Remover strips out backgrounds for pro-level videos, and Watermark Remover cleans up images by erasing watermarks or unwanted objects. It's your all-in-one creative studio. Remaker AI's user-friendly interface makes editing a breeze, delivering clean, professional results. Its wide range of tools, face swapping, background removal, and more lets you tailor content to your vision. Plus, it's accessible with a free trial offering 30 credits on sign-in and 5 free uses without an account. Daily check-ins keep the credits flowing. Remaker AI's pricing is a steal. The free plan includes basic editing with 5 free uses, plus 30 credits after signing in. The standard plan at $10 per month adds background generation and face swaps. Go all in with the premium plan at $25 per month for unlimited image generations and access to every feature. Affordable and powerful. Perfect for creators. Remaker AI makes pro-grade editing simple and accessible. Whether you're a TikTok star or a hobbyist, with its cutting-edge AI and budget-friendly plans, it's ready to transform your content. What will you create first? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Remaker AI's content transformation powers. Are you hyped for face swaps or that video background remover? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.